channel. Today I will talk about the last session that I have shot in Chiang Mai, Thai traditional dancing. And to shoot with two models, I make it like a couple in erotic, artistic and dramatic way. We have shot in studio with two light setup. I use Nati and Ivy to be the model in this session because both of them finished university in this kind of performance dancing and the history of Thai traditional dancing things. So they know about how to dance, they know about how to dress up in traditional way. So what I have to continue to make it beautiful is how to set up the light, how to create and make the image, turn it into dramatic style and more artistic. So let's go to watch the result together right here. I set up in the studio with two light setup, one in the right side and one in the left side of the model, right? So in some shot I shoot with two light at the same time, but in some shot I put the light in the back, I move around and also I turn off one light and I use only one light, and some shot I use both of them to make it different. And sometimes when I do the editing, and I always editing in Photoshop, but I also use the Lightroom for basic selection, and then I switch to Photoshop to make it more artistic and dramatic style as I imagine and I want it to be. something like the dancing. You have to dance this style in Paris or for the queen and the king for many years ago. Very traditional old style, but I don't not really make it is the real history traditional thing, but I turn it into more dramatic, erotic, and more it's not modern, it's just like artistic in for my imagination. So yeah, have a look what I have done from the result. Yeah. And so happy to make this happen. And actually I try to create my workshop last time like a month ago, but it isn't happen because of this pandemic time and the COVID-19, so we have to turn it off and we have to move it away. Hopefully with the next visit I come back to Thailand, we can make it happen again. And my participant, I hope everybody ready for this session and come to shoot together. Can't wait for that time. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share, and I give the link below for the information of my models and for where I post the photo on my Instagram. Please don't forget to follow me there and have a look the other image that I created. Also include my self-portrait too. So today, the time to go again, and bye for now for this week, and see you again soon in the next video. Bye bye.